world. Something a little bit different, really short video. I have just been super busy at this exhibition, and I just had no time to paint. I'm showing you a river. It's a beautiful river in Wimborne, and there's otters there. This is just such a beautiful place. This was the day that we set up. This is a voiceover at the moment. Walford Mill. It's been around for quite a while, but it's a real artist hub. It's been, as I say, around for a while, and there's some beautiful artwork. They hold workshops in a room just to your right there. Beautiful resin work here. As soon as you walk in, really lovely stuff by a lady called Tegan Randall. That's her studio. So lots of artists have their studio in this old mill. And you can go and, you know, if you haven't got a big budget, you can buy original art, lots of cards. Here we are setting up. This is the room that we are in, the Little Craft Shack. I'm a member of this organisation, and we get into all sorts of places. And this is a beautiful driftwood tree by Seesaw Dorset company. I'll put all the links to these artists. There's only 4 of us. Beautiful textile work. I'll put the links to all of these artists down below, so you can have a look on there. Follow them on social media. They're lovely people. Really very talented. I love this little textile heart painting. Not painting, but you know what I'm saying. Pebble art as well. That's quite big in the UK at the moment. And sea glass jewellery. And things are really reasonably priced as well. So, you know, picking up, there's one of these Christmas trees. They light up, driftwood Christmas trees. They're just fantastic. There's been so much interest in those. Little Christmas gifts, little original, you know, less than £20. It's bargains. And here's me. This is my Badlands collection. It makes such a difference putting art on a wall where it's lit properly. The colours just really stand out. There's lights shining down above. Lots of interest in those. Sold a couple. Well, sold 1, 2, 3, sold 4. And there's other artists as well as you go through the building. It's a real rabbit warren, actually, of beautiful things to see. Now, if you can just hear the sound of running water as I walk up the stairs, there's a glass. You probably hear fireworks in the distance as well, because it's what is it, the 5th of November, bonfire night here in the UK. So you can see the otters, not on this film, but you can see the river go underneath the mill. Lovely textile art again, printed tea towels. This lady here called Debbie, she does weaving, and I'll show you in a sec, but these pictures are just stunning, and they're all out of silk. There we go. Debbie Kirby. This is all her work. Really beautiful, and she makes these silk scarves. Very nice. And all sorts of products. Just jewellery, bags, little purses, and there's her loom. And her necklaces. I bought a few of these a few years ago, actually. Again, really reasonably priced. So I thought I'd just show you my Badlands collection in all its entirety. I'm sorry that there's no painting this week. I'm hoping to get back into my studio definitely this week. It's been such a busy time, but I will see you all soon.